Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making zucchini bread. This recipe includes olive oil, 2 eggs, baking soda, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, vanilla bean paste, baking powder, all-purpose flour, cane sugar, zucchini, and salt. Before making the zucchini bread, let's make sure we preheat our air fryer toaster oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First, let's start with the wet ingredients. Get a cutting board and karate chop your 2 zucchini. Get a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of cane sugar. Next, we'll add half a cup of olive oil. If you want this bread to be nice and moist, let's add 2 eggs to the bowl. And our last wet ingredient that we'll use in the bowl will be 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. This will give it an intense flavor and a good aroma. And now we can mix up all the wet ingredients with the sugar before adding the zucchini. Now that it's all mixed up, it's time to add the chopped zucchini and blend. After adding the chopped zucchini, mix until well combined. Now let's focus on the dry ingredients. Get a separate bowl and add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. After that, add a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. That's right, I got baking soda.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
Now add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. To add a spicy flavor, let's add half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And our last dry ingredient will be half a teaspoon of salt. Once you've added all those ingredients into the bowl, mix it all up. Now that we're done with the dry ingredients, slowly pour it into the bowl of wet ingredients and mix. Here's something that I'm never gonna understand. A lot of people I know in some of my culinary classes don't like eating zucchini, but they like eating zucchini bread. If you're eating zucchini bread, technically you're still eating zucchini. But I'll be honest with you, eating zucchini bread is a lot like eating banana bread. It has a similar process too. Alright, now that we have let the flavors dance together, grease your pan with butter and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Also, if you're wondering how to say zucchini bread in Spanish, it's pan de calabacín. Alright, the zucchini bread is finished. Alright, now it's time to try it. No puedo resistir el sabor de este pan. Qué rico. Pan de calabacín. This is so moist. You know, the thing about zucchini bread is that I don't even taste the zucchini. But I guess this is why people prefer to eat zucchini bread than eat zucchini. But I'm still never going to understand why people hate eating zucchini. I just can't get over this moisture going on. And the top, the crust gives it a little bit of a nice crunch. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.